Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a quick um, unboxing type of video for my new recent purchase, the Bluenile Tennis Bracelets. I already opened the boxes because I cannot wait to see it, but I keep all the original packagings just to show you what's inside. So once I ordered online, once you order online, you'll get something like this, the boxes, and then this is what's inside. So you will have the actual bracelets case, and then you will have some documentations here. So going through the documentations first, so you will get the important documents. I won't go through in detail, but I just briefly let you know what's inside. So first thing is the jewelry guide. I think it's just tell you how to take care of your diamond jewelries. So that's for that, and then you will have a jewelry mutual insurance jewelry insurance guide, so you can buy the insurance. And then the last is the most important is the actual they will provide you two appraisals your purchase jewelry appraisals, and then the packing slips. So I won't go through them in details, but once you buy it you will know. So let's open the boxes. Once you open the boxes, you will get the actual jewelry boxes. So you open, has Bluenile logo, and then you will see the actual bracelets. It's like so. Okay, so once I open it up, it's very shiny, sparkling. I loved it. So it's something like this. Maybe it's very hard to see. Let me see if I can make it happen. So it's very sparkling like so. So once how do the open clip is like this, I can put it on by myself, so it's very easy. So you clip in, and then you let me show you the back, and you just clip this up, and then it's secured. So it's very sparkling, and mine is the total color is 4 carat, and then the average color is F color, which is it's colorless, and then the clarity is SI. So it's like this. This is how it looks like on your hand if you want to buy a 4 carat total carat bracelet. So I love this so much. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend this item if you really like bracelet type of jewelries, and I think it's totally worth it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll connect later. Bye bye.